Welcome back to another video. After a long grind, me and Seth finally got the fully gold cat. And just like the Brutus challenge, we had to do the Meow Schools challenge. AKs only. Let's get into the video.
And then we're gonna get the chopper over to the cat. We're gonna eliminate the cat, then we're gonna win the game with the two
And
heavy
destroy
AKs.
everyone.
Yes, we are. Yeah, because yes, that is what we shall do.
Let's go.
Okay, are we contested?
I don't think we are.
We could
get the vault.
Yeah, exactly.
We don't even have like purple.
No AK. I'm just gonna take the C4 and the medkit because C4s and the medkits.
Wait, are we allowed to use C4 on people?
Yeah, we're allowed to use anything. We're just not allowed to use any guns.
I'll happily take the C4.
Is that you shooting?
There's a real guy.
Okay. Where?
I'm completely lagged. I lagged in between. I'm physically stuck in the. Oh my god.
What the hell is this? What the hell is this? What?
I better come out. I can't move. I physically can't move.
I had that happen to me recently. If I do that.
Oh yes, thank you, Seth. You're a saviour.
Wish we could touch that beautiful little lamp, unfortunately.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, and then we're gonna have to be super quick because I've just looked at. We can just take all these beautiful meds.
Oh! Oh! I'm gonna take that pump. Never gonna give you up. Never gonna let you down.
Okay, let's go and get that chopper, and we can go and get the cat. And then we can go and...
Never gonna give you up. Never let you down.
Let's go and get this cat. No!
Ah! You're too late.
Do you reckon they could be past that chopper?
Yep, you can't really get a chopper in this now.
Oh, there! Here!
Ah!
Tag! No!
Ah!
I knocked him!
Okay, I fell down the thing. Seth, can you hear me?
Okay, yeah, I can.
Okay, I almost lagged.
Where is this guy? He's here. I'm gonna shake him down.
There's a guy, yeah, there's a guy on the chopper.
No, actually, I can't.
I'm stuck. Down there, I'm gonna build up to you.
Ah! Jesus.
My guy harpooned me. Oh, how many
So
steps?
hard! Ah! Jesus Christ.
You win.
No, he's tagged. Ah!
Ah,
Oh, that's amazing! He faced so hard! There's so many people here! He's tagged, shield. There's another guy as well though, so...
okay, I'm bouncing away.
Wait, you need my reboot!
Oh yeah, I do.
He's there. I'm sure you can get through. Yeah, he's weak. You cracked him, so... Oh, there's another guy there. You've got this is the right range for you, so you could obviously, and then go and reboot and retail. Or you could just dip. I reckon dip to retail, yeah. Dip to retail and reboot there.
Okay, oh, they took it.
Wait. No! They've just left me gunless. Well,
Okay, we'll take them. And then
we can get. I can obviously take the chopper and we can just go full.
Well, I'm gonna launch.
Okay, you launch. I'll take the chopper and that can be my weapon.
Yeah.
This is my weapon.
Okay, we got. Oh, they're right there.
Okay, I see him.
Tag. He's
Nice.
cracked. He's
Yeah,
cracked.
nice. Tag 150 white.
Not one.
Nice.
Not one. He's cracked. He's cracked. So wait.
I got him. I got him.
Oh wait, did you get it?
Yeah, I got him
Nice.
with C4.
Oh,
Let's flipping go.
we're cracked.
Okay.
I
Now
just kinda.
we wait.
Yeah, now it's the waiting game. Just to be like still. Oh.
Okay. So.
We got some moving to be doing, but oh,
Yeah. Oh crikey.
oh no.
Up here on top of that looks like our best bet. Not gonna lie. We are in a awesome position.
Yeah. Oh yeah, he's coming up. He saw us.
Okay, just be crack. Got it.
Oh, why do I keep on doing that?
Give me what ammo, nice boy. He did not have. He was not stacked.
Yeah.
Oh, it's annoying we don't have any bigs.
Oh no, they're in the. Okay, they saw me. They're in the bush.
I see him. Yeah, I see him.
Tags 129.
Tag 26.
Please, they're in
Oh,
the
cracked
bush.
one. Cracked one.
Oh yeah, cracked
Oh, I
one.
got
Cracked the
sniped.
other one as well. One's white. One's white.
Okay, nice. Yeah, I cracked one. Tagged 127. 27 white as well. Oh, knocked one. Knocked one.
Oh my god. Okay. Seth, push.
Yeah.
Keep the pressure on.
I'm just spraying. You spray. You spray.
I can't really because I've got a bad angle.
Okay.
Where is he?
He's probably trying to get the resin.
Ah!
I'm creeping up
Ah!
behind. I'm near them. I'm very close. I'm gonna get them behind them. I'm behind them.
He's round there. One launch.
Okay. Oh, the one who's knocked is still knocked. He's underneath me.
He's okay.
Huh?
Oh, he's white.
Coming. I'm coming.
Wait,
Okay, I've got the elim. He's on his own.
he fell.
Into the water though, I reckon.
Yeah. Building back up.
Okay. No, maybe not into the water. Oh, he's on me.
Ah!
Sorry, that's me.
I see him. He fell.
Where?
He's on me. Ah! On me.
Yeah, I'm spraying. Spraying.
He's so weak. He's so weak. He's a one tap. He's a one tap. He's a one tap. He's literally a one tap. He's up there. Let's go! Let's go, Seth! Let's go! Yes!
Thank you guys for watching. Hope to see you in the next video, and peace.